Good morning, you guys. It is a Saturday and I am on my way to my mom's house. Monroe forgot her big puffy jacket because she spent the night over at my mom's house this weekend, and she took her light jacket, but me and her both forgot the puffy jacket, and it was colder today than it was yesterday. So I'm going to be dropping that off to her, and then I also am probably going to be going with my mom and her to PetSmart. My mom's looking at getting some more fish for her fish tank. She has like a really big fish tank, so she was going to let Monroe help her pick out the fish in there. So I just figured me and Zaya probably will just tag along with them for a little bit. And then I think that's it. I think that's all really I have planned. Me and Malcolm have been looking at getting a new car soon. Actually, we plan on trading, well, he plans on trading in his car, which he has a Jeep, and he's gonna get like a bigger SUV for me to drive with the kids, and then eventually we'll go ahead and trade in this car for a car for him. He wants to get some kind of like commuter car for him to drive to and from work every day, because he drives about an hour to and from work every single day, and it's just a lot. His Jeep is a lot on gas, and also this car is gonna be very, very tight with 3 car seats in it. So yeah, that's our plan. I said that because I think he said he's off of work now, his part-time job, and he said he was gonna swing by a dealership because we found this other car that we thought would be a lot bigger. At first we were looking at the Dodge Durango because it has 3 rows, but we looked at this other car online, and he said he was going to go check it out at the dealership, and it is the Chevy Transverse. I think I'm saying that right. And it just looked like it had a lot more space, and I really wanted the look, like the back seat, like this part to be open, to have like a walkway to get to the 3rd row, just because when I pick Monroe up and drop her off from school, and it's going to be really hard for her to come in the car and get out of the car so quickly like she has to, and then having to climb over, you know, the seats to get all the way to the back. And I really don't want a minivan. I really just don't want a minivan, but I like the style, like the inside of it, how it's set up with the back seat. I think they're called captain chairs, but I really want that style. So the Transverse that we looked at, it looked like it had a lot of room in it. It had it had 2 seats in the 2nd row, and then the walk-through, and then the last row actually has 3 seats. And then the Durango that we looked at, it had only some of them have the captain chairs in the 2nd row, and then the 3rd row is only actually 2 seats in the Durango. But I don't know, hopefully Malcolm said he was gonna take a lot of pictures so I can see it, but he heard that it has a lot more space in it, so we will see. Hi, baby. Yeah. Go see Sissy. Oh. Come on, baby. Step up. Good job. Good job. Come on. Knock on the door. Knock.
Hi. Come on. You look just like your sissy with that hat. There's your sissy. Sissy hurt her leg.
Uh-oh.
She was running upstairs to get her tablet and she slipped and the step hit her on her shin.
Oh,
So you know she's gonna have a bad bruise. So I had her put the ice pack on.
You missed a step? Yeah.
Take a drink. Leave the straw in. Here. Here. Yeah. It's a pretty fishy, huh?
Then take your hat off.
Yep. So there's the little tetra danios, and these are schooling fish. What? They're alive. Those are the Placosmas, the algae eaters, which they. Do you want to get in the cart? You want to put it in there?
What do you say? Okay.
See, and here's some more right here, bigger ones.
Okay, sit down. You have to sit down.
Wow, look at the fishies.
I just pulled up to Safeway. It is Sunday and I have to run in here and get some groceries, just some things that we need for the week. I need to get fruit for the girls because they go through it like crazy. So I have to get fruit, and then I want to get some chicken wings and some stuff for the chicken wings because I want to make that for dinner tonight. So yeah, and I have to get a couple other things too. Malcolm's at home with the girls, so I don't have to worry about taking them in with me, which feels amazing because I'll be in and out hopefully. I usually hate coming to the grocery store on Sundays because it's so packed, but let go again. Got you shackled in my embrace. I'm latching on Alright, you guys, so I just got back from the grocery store. I picked up just basically a whole bunch of random things. I went there to get mainly eggs, fruit for the kids, and stuff for dinner, which was chicken wings and fries. So, I'm gonna show you all the randomness. So you wanna do a grocery haul?
Yeah.
Okay.
So what we have is we have
Shredded cheese, Parmesan cheese. This is for when I'm looking for dinner.
Yeah. And this is the same thing. So, and we have cream cheese. And butter. And this is butter. We got some butter. And we got a lunchable for school.
We just got a bunch of Lunchables.
Yeah. We
I'll put 'em
got
over
a
here.
bunch of Lunchables. And we got some boxes of crackers.
Do this. What's that?
And we have peppers, a red, an orange, and a yellow one, and a green one.
What about this?
And we have an onion. And we have banana.
You know what this is?
Garlic.
Good job.
We have garlic. And we have bread.
Bagels.
Bacon. And we have bread.
And what's this?
And eggs. And we have some pepperoni. And we have raspberries and blueberries and strawberries.
Do you know what this is?
Lettuce.
Basil.
Basil. And we have basil. And we have string cheese. And we have Cheez-Its. Cheez-Its. And
Peppers. I've been craving these. I don't know why, but I always crave these when I'm pregnant, so I had to get a jar.
And we have
Mayonnaise.
And we have parsley,
Oregano.
oregano, and sweet and sour chicken sauce. And this is apple juice. Cranberry.
White cranberry.
White cranberry peach. And ginger ale and Dr. Pepper.
Good job.
And some cinnamon toast crunch. And we have some yogurt. And we have another thing of yogurt.
Here, give it to me.
And now we have peppermint milk
What is that?
coffee.
Coffee what?
Coffee
Creamer. Two more of this and one more.
We have the chicken wings. And we have the french fries. That's it.
Alright, you guys, so I just was trying to edit the vlog so I could get it up, and I realized that I didn't end it. So I wanted to end it, but I also saw that I didn't show you guys. I ordered Zaya a few pieces from Zara, and oh my goodness, the baby clothes are so cute. I wanted to show you guys these. But if you're looking for like really cute tights, go to Zara. Like I got these. It's like a pink color, mauve, I think that's what this is. And then I got the dark gray color. You guys probably can't really tell, but they're really, really good material, and they're like the I don't know, they're very stretchy too. But I got her 2 pair. I was gonna get her like a black pair and a few other colors, but they were sold out, a lot of them in her size. But I definitely picked up these 2. I picked up this really cute shirt. And it has like the little button in the back. And then I picked up this white long sleeve. It's kind of like a turtleneck. But I got this shirt to go with this. How cute is this? This little jumper, and it has like the pockets. Oh my gosh, I'm kind of nervous because it's really long. Like I don't feel like she's this tall, but it's her size. Like this is the normal size that I get for her, so we'll see. I have to get her to try it on. But I wanted to show you guys, they have really, really cute stuff, even baby clothes. Some of their stuff is pricey, but some of them, like, you can get like really good deals on some of the stuff. And another good place to shop that I found that has like the same kind of style as Zara is H&M. Like I looked at a lot of their like baby clothes off of there, and they're so cute. But yeah, let me go ahead and end this vlog. I hope you guys did enjoy it. Be sure to give it a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe if you aren't already. And I will see you guys in the next one.